In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Shopify PIN. If you use Shopify POS, each staff member signs in with a simple 4-digit PIN. Resetting it is quick, but it's important to do it carefully so the right person gets the right access. You'll need to be logged in as an owner or as a staff member with permission to manage users. Let's walk through it together from the Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account that has the right permissions. Without that, you might not see the options we're about to use. Once you're in the admin, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. It's the gear icon that opens all of your store's configuration options. This is where Shopify keeps things like billing, checkout, and user management, so it's the right place to go for PIN changes. Inside Settings, go to Users. Depending on your interface, this may appear as Users and Permissions. This section lists every staff account with access to your store, along with what each person is allowed to do. If you don't see users here, it usually means your account doesn't have permission to manage staff. Find the staff account whose PIN you want to set. You can scroll the list or use the search box to quickly locate the person. Double check you've selected the correct staff member to avoid changing the wrong PIN, especially if multiple people have similar names or roles. On that staff members page, scroll until you see the section labeled Staff PIN or POS PIN. This is the control specifically for point of sale access. The wording can vary slightly by region or theme, but you're looking for the dedicated 4-digit POS field. Click either Reset PIN or enter New 4-digit PIN depending on what your screen shows. Reset is typically used when a PIN already exists and needs to be changed. The Enter option is used when setting one for the first time. Before you proceed, consider your store's policy for PINs to keep them consistent and secure. Type the new 4-digit PIN. Choose a number that's easy for the staff member to remember but not obvious, like avoiding repeated digits or birthdays. For security, share the PIN directly and privately with the person who needs it. Finally, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your changes were updated. The staff member can now sign into Shopify POS using the new PIN. If they're already on a device, have them refresh or sync their app so the change takes effect. And that's it, your Shopify PIN reset is complete.